Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, cruise control, floor mats. Come see the car for yourself. Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, a comprehensive 150-point inspection, 10 years of roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai certified program.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.